Well, welcome to this quick little video, which will help you get all set up for your pre-calc with trig class, which we are doing this year through dual credit through WNC. And so the title of the course will be changing to Math 126 and Math 127, but sometimes I'll reference it as pre-calc with trig just because that's what most people are familiar with. So each of you will get this form, which should have your name on the form all ready for you so that you do know it is yours. It is important that your name's on it because you're going to also get a 5-digit course number, and that course number is specific to you. So there should be 5 digits. I think it starts like 900 or something like that. But this is an important one that you do have the correct course number. This is specifically linked to your schedule for what you are signed up for based on the rest of your classes here at Damonte Ranch High School. So when we reference the course number, you're going to look there. At some point, you're going to get what's called an NC number. Now, if you've already taken a dual credit course through TMCC, you might already have this, but you may not have one yet, and you will be getting one. I'm going to recommend that you write that NC number down and keep it somewhere safe. Maybe you'll just keep the email where you get it, but this is something that you will want to know throughout your time of taking any college classes in the state of Nevada. And if you already have an NC number through TMCC or UNR, you will use the exact same one. So this is a year-long course, just like pre-calc with trig. It's actually the same content as pre-calc with trig, but we are renaming it as a dual credit course for next year. There's a lot of advantages for you guys having it as a dual credit course, particularly with your GPA. So first of all, you're going to earn 1 high school math credit for each semester. Sorry, this should say 2 for the whole year. Fantastic. 2 high school math credits for the whole year. You're going to earn 1 per semester, and 6 college math credits for the whole year, 3 for each semester. There is a difference between the transcript that you're going to have for high school and the one that you're going to have for college. So your high school transcript, what you would see when you look at Infinite Campus is, again, you're going to get 1 high school math credit per semester, 2 total for the year. By the way, both of those get counted as an AP course for your GPA bump, which is really awesome. Right now, it'll just say Math Dual Credit. The district is going to try to work on a better name for that course. So it might say something like Pre-Calc Math Dual Credit or Trigonometry Math Dual Credit. That could change just a little bit. The college transcript that you're going to have, math classes in college tend to be worth either 3 or 4 credits for each semester. These ones are each worth 3. And so semester 1, you will earn 3 college math credits, and semester 2, you'll earn 3 more, which is a total of 6 college math credits, which is really exciting. So to sign up, the first thing that you're going to want to do is to go to the WNC website that you see on the screen and click apply. Now, they're going to ask you if you've ever enrolled at TMCC or UNR. Again, if you have taken a class through those before, you would click yes, and you would enter in the NC number if you know it. If you don't remember it, check Canvas. But if you still can't find it, you can click I don't know it. They'll walk you through some steps on there, and then you're going to get, when you complete that process, an email. You should actually get 2 emails. One's a welcome email, and the other one will give you a temporary password so that you can set up your own account with your own email. You have to do this. If you don't do this step, everything will completely stall until you do this step. So you'll have to follow the link in order to do that. After you do that, you'll get your NC number, and again, that's the one that I was referencing for up here. Save it. You'll need it a lot throughout your time going to college if you stay in Nevada. And if you don't, you'll need it for while you're here in college. All right, number 3, there's a QR code on your handout that you will use to get what's called the high school authorization form. This basically is so that your parents can give permission for you to take a college class while you're still in high school. Your parents or whoever take care of you. There is an option on there for the payment. Make sure you choose the one that says paid by high school. That doesn't mean that Damonte Ranch is paying for all of your classes. It means you'll pay Damonte, and then Damonte will write 1 check for all of you guys to go to WNC. All right. After you do that, you're going to then select the course. So you would use the second QR code to enter in the 5-digit course number that's at the top of your page. Okay, the one that I have yellow here. Do not enter in a different one like that your buddy has or whatever. That'll just get you all messed up. You need to enter the one that we've put on your paper, please. If you do enter the wrong one, don't think that that makes you all of a sudden enrolled in the one you want to be in. We will just have to remove you and cause a whole bunch of hassle for you and for us. All right, as people go through these, sometimes some of the steps, there's a question you're not sure how to answer or something surprising. Miss Alfamongo is kind of our math dual credit expert. She's going to be in room E273, that's her classroom, and available to you guys during any of these periods. So you can ask for an IC pass to go see her or a yellow pass during any one of those periods, and she'd be happy to help you. Alternatively, you can come see me, Mrs. Alt. I know less than Miss A, but I might be able to help if she's busy. I'm in room 122 on A days. If you need me a different day, then you can send me an email. My email is aault@washoschools.net. B days are kind of funny for my schedule, so you might want to send me an email if you're trying to connect with me. Tuition and cost. So this course costs $75 for each semester for a grand total of $150 for the entire year. For 6 college math credits, that's a really, really good deal. Because normally college math credits, a class like this would maybe take a couple $1,000s. You also normally have to pay for a textbook, which might be $100 or more. So this is a very good deal. That's the total cost, including the textbook information and all of that. You would make your payments to the bookkeeper. You're only going to pay for semester 1 first. So you would just pay the $75 for semester 1. You can pay that at any time between now and the start of the school year, or even the first week of school. Damani would then write one check to WNC to pay for your semester 1 course. Semester 2, we'll get you guys some information, but likely it'll be in November, and they won't let you register ahead of time. Now, there are some scholarships available if this is going to be a financial burden for your family. So the next page that you have should have a third page. Here's this one. This is to request financial assistance. You would fill out this page, including the courses that you're going to take, the names and the numbers. So like Math 126 and then that 5-digit code. All right, Math 127 and the 5-digit code. And then how much money you're thinking you're going to need for semester 1 and how much you would like for semester 2. And again, the charges for the classes are below. These are the ones that go with the pre-calc with trade course. If you've got any questions, please see Miss Alfamongo. If you can't get a hold of her, you're welcome to see me, Mrs. Alt, and we're excited that you are setting up for this class. Thanks so much.